Hello friends, in this video we will discuss the real-time systems which is in continuation with the types of operating systems. Real-time systems is a very important type of operating system and let us begin with its definition and then there are two types of real-time systems and we will compare the two types of real-time systems. So watch the video till the end and let us begin. So a real-time system is a computer system in which time is very critical. So time is very critical in the sense that if the output does not appear within the stipulated time, then it is considered as a failure of the system. For example, if it is a missile launcher and you have given it a time that the missile needs to be launched at a particular time. Now, if that missile launcher is unable to launch the missile in the particular time, then its target may be missed. So that way, it will be treated as a failure of the missile launcher. And another thing is that the missile may land in a wrong place, which will lead to a disaster. So in a real-time system, if the output timeline is slipped, then there is a chance that a disaster might happen. Another example is a microwave. If the timeline is not met in case of a microwave, then there is a chance that it will overheat the substance and which will lead to burning of the substance also. Then similarly, there is a satellite. We all have seen this movie called what was the name of that movie? It is Vidya Balan's movie in which Mission Mars. Yes, in Mission Mars, what happens is that they launch a satellite and then it orbits around the Earth and it keeps on increasing its the size of the orbit. And at a particular time, they have to ensure that this satellite will meet Mars at a particular location so that it can enter its orbit. So again, the timeline is very crucial. If this satellite is going to miss that timeline, then it can never be sent into the orbit of the Mars. So this way, in a real-time system, the time is very important, and if the timeline is slipped due to any reason, a disaster can happen. So there are two types of real-time systems. There is a hard real-time system and there is a soft real-time system. So in a hard real-time system, if the timeline is missed, then disaster will happen. Whereas in soft real-time system, no disaster, but loss is there. Then in case of a hard real-time system, minimum interaction with user is there. Whereas in a soft real-time system, there is a interaction with the user is possible. Interaction with the user. I'm sorry, I think I have mistyped it. Interaction with user is possible. Some interaction is possible. A lot of interaction is, however, avoided in all the real-time systems. Then minimum peripheral devices. And in this case, in case of a soft real-time systems, peripheral devices may be there. Then in case of a hard real-time systems, peripheral device, secondary storage is absent. And in a soft real-time system, secondary storage may be there. And when we say a microwave, it is an example of a soft real-time system. And in case of the hard real-time system, the example is a missile launcher. In fact, microwave is also bursting of a microwave is also a disaster. So we will put a washing machine here, and bursting of a microwave we will put here in a hard real-time system. So this is the difference between a hard real-time system and a soft real-time system. And real-time system is any system in which the timeline is very critical and we cannot slip the timeline. I hope this video is useful to you. Please share it with your friends, and do mention in the comments how you felt and whether it was useful to you or not. And if you have any doubts, you can ask that as well. Thank you, friends.